Officer in charge, female section, Sunyani Central Prisons, ASP Rosemary Abandre. What they are distressed to Ghana for addition. Teacher one more bushia marijuana, a war in the fear, Semema, 1 year woman. Uncle Swanta, one more chi, and or door and sastra won. Named Moya, Maniboni Christian, no for Rukuma, et was so.
Officer in charge no newo female section Emma Sunyani Central Prisons ASP Rosemary Ambadre and Lady to Ghana Manfua on Mabusian for ABP and refuse say a dog what ma one mono one shana I don't know and woo and random one shall say what instruction ever be ho abehe senior on a sitting moon sem etiana one so to me enya and that so be what is answer we see to Jawabra Bethel Prayer Ministries International Sunyani Ekoye and refuse no adoye.
Obi ba ya de ne ba no ma opia embe visit no be yesre se omo a omo krofo aba no mo no omo mbra ambesra omo e ba ne sa na abustu omo mora na ama omo kenya mu se efie yempo omo enti ya sa na eboa nipa no kwa discharge a etimi boa no e ma no reintegrated into the society be obeda no sa wa ambehwe no a when say wa rejecting into opia Oni mora eyibia obehwana na wasan go back to the same crime no obehwana na wasan aba enti yesre se mommoa na yenyina edwuma na teamwork na yenyina yemmoa na yentete omo
Apo ena General Overseer de Bethel Prayer Ministries International Apostle Paul Kofi Edu Newman enso ne maniboni Christian Forukuma etwetwe nkomo no wo kire yehunya se ene mranomrano wono so be kire do de amamfa wono mo ne de fintia wo ye wadwene se wo de sado ye we see eba koma wono mo
Prayer Ministries International asafui efa yem papa Bishop Osutebri so eba ye no Bethel afi yenya mfi aduasa 30 years na nyame adoma do so de amaye na aso no say celebrity this 30 years nyame de asore adru na enumu na mpanifo trase Sunyan ana bono area ha mpanifo trase hu se onyame aye adum se akaye na odebelta etwa mfie aduasa na yenyina ye celebrity ana ye kaya ene yen kai yenu amonso eda ewo prisons